We are trying to simplify the square root of a squared b times the square root of ab squared. Since both of these are square roots, there's understood to be a 2 right there and right there. What we can do is write that as one big square root of a squared b times ab squared. And if you remember law of exponents, if you had x to the a times x to the b, you're multiplying like bases, you add your exponents. So there's understood to be a 1 there on that a and a 1 there. So this is the square root of a cubed b cubed. Now, the next thing we want to do, remember there's a 2 here, and we want to simplify this radical. So what you do when you have exponents, you divide the index into the exponent, and you bring out however many the 2 goes into the 3. Watch. 2 will go into 3 one time, so bring out an a to the 1. But there's a remainder of 1, so you got to leave that remainder underneath the radical. Let's do that again. Take the index and divide it into 3. 2 will go into 3 one time, so bring out a b to the 1. But there's a remainder of 1, you got to leave that underneath the radical. So you're left with ab square root ab as your answer.